Do you ever feel self-conscious when you're out taking photos, like everyone's watching you, judging you? If you've got a minute, let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. Here's the truth, nobody's watching you as closely as you think. Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to notice you, and once you get comfortable with that fact, shooting in public starts to feel a lot easier. Confidence in photography isn't about buying new gear, it's about building habits. Try this simple challenge. Stand in one spot and take 10 completely different photos without moving. You'll discover new angles, get creative and prove to yourself that you don't need to be perfectly invisible to shoot great images. Oh, and you are allowed to turn around. Remember, confidence is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Every great photographer you admire felt nervous once. The difference is they kept going. And if you want to dive deeper into building skills and confidence, check out the full video here. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you soon.